Hello to all those who are watching this video. This is the video for the students of class 12th biology. Okay, and the topic this I have taken, that is Nivedita Joshi, is taken from the chapter number 14, class 12th. Okay, biology. See, energy flow is the third component of ecosystem which functions as which act as a functional unit. Okay, so two already I have covered in the previous video, that is productivity number one, and number two decomposition. So this is number three, energy flow. So when we talk of the energy flow, means we are talking of food chain, food web, and all these we will go through. So begin with what is a food chain. So transfer of energy from the producers through a series of organisms, that is known as food chain. Okay, so food chain represents energy flow through ecosystem, and different steps in a food chain, they are called as trophic levels. And the terms, basic terms which is used, that is producers, herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. These terms are used in food chain. Now energy flow. All living organisms, they are dependent for their food on the producers, directly or indirectly. Means even the lion, which is a carnivore, is dependent on producer for getting the energy, but indirectly. Okay, so there is a unidirectional flow of energy we can see when we say everyone depends on the producers. Okay, so there is a unidirectional flow of energy from the sun to producer and then to consumers. So PAR is photosynthetically active radiation, and this is responsible for synthesis of food by plants. Now what is PAR? Let's know. So animals, we will know in the next. Okay, next slide. Animals obtain their food from the plant, so they are called as the consumers. And the process of eating and being eaten, okay, eating and being eaten is called food chain. And in this energy flow, okay, from producers to consumers. So we will study two types of food chain, grazing and detritus food chain, right? So detritus, now first we will go through grazing food chain. The grazing food chain begins with the producers. Okay, this is a uh, it's an important feature. It begins with the producers. So here you can see grass that is eaten by goat, and goat is eaten by the man or by lion, it could be. Okay, so this is a grazing food chain. Here I'll say more about the PAR. Okay, what is PAR? So sun, everyone knows, that is the main source of energy. So 50% of incident light is PAR, photosynthetical active radiation. 50% of incident light. Okay, and 2 to 10% of PAR is captured by the plants. उस 50% में से 2 से लेके 10% तक जो है वो प्लांट उसको ट्रैप कर सकते हैं. ओनली अ स्मॉल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ दिस इज ट्रांसफर टू द कंज्यूमर्स. मतलब इतना कम परसेंटेज उन्होंने लिया है, फिर वो ट्रांसफर होते जाता है. And the rest is used up in the respiration and other life supporting activities of plants. And you know very well 10% law, everyone knows. Only 10% of energy is transferred from one trophic level to the next trophic level. Okay, and most part of the energy is lost as heat at each stage. So this is the 10% law. Now second type of food chain is detritus food chain. Okay, so the detritus food chain, it begins with dead organic matter. This is the difference. Grazing begins with the producers and it begins with the dead organic matter. And it is made up of decomposers, which are heterotrophic organisms like fungi and bacteria. And here the primary source of energy is detritus. So first trophic level includes detrivores. Okay, so detritus food chain, they are small sized chains, जबकि grazing big होती है. And these are also known as saprotrophs. Okay, so they meet their energy and nutrient requirement by degrading the dead organic matter or detritus. So decomposers secrete digestive enzymes and that break down dead and waste material into simple inorganic materials which are subsequently absorbed by them. Okay, and in the next slide also we will know what is food web. That is natural interconnection of food chain that will form the food web. Here one example we have earthworm, as in the beginning also I told you, that is the earthworm is a detrivore. You can see a food chain over here. Okay, having the trophic level 1 2 3 4, 4 trophic levels are there, and this is a grazing food chain because first trophic level is producer. Here you can have the differences grazing food chain, that as I told you. Okay, and one important thing to know over here, in the grazing food chain less energy flows, and in the detritus food chain more energy flows. Okay, and in aquatic ecosystem, it is the major conduit for energy transfer, and in terrestrial ecosystem it is the major conduit for energy transfer. Okay, trophic levels, you can see here the trophic levels: first trophic level, second, third, fourth. First trophic level में producers हुआ करते हैं, right, in the grazing food chain. सेकेंड ट्रॉपिक लेवल में प्राइमरी कंज्यूमर्स हैं, थर्ड ट्रॉपिक लेवल में सेकेंडरी कंज्यूमर हैं, और फोर्थ ट्रॉपिक लेवल में टर्शियरी कंज्यूमर्स हैं. ओके,